This will be a how-to video on how to test a cell phone to ensure it's getting text messages from the system. So what you're going to do is come to this VT3000 welcome page. We're going to be selecting the core software. On this main page, we want to go to communications, so we can select the icon here, or you can select over here on the menu. It'll essentially bring you to this page here. By default, it'll be on the on-site pager. What you want to do is select this, and this gives you the types of outputs. So for us right now, we want to do text messages. I'm going to select that. Here I have, my cell phone for John Doe, so I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to put in my message. So I'm going to use this one that I already have here, this testing message. And once we have that set in there, we just hit send. It's going to tell you that it sent that message out. Now all you would want to do is verify with John that he got that text message. If he didn't, it would mean some troubleshooting. Give us a call. We can help you out, figure out what's going on. It's done. Turn to home. Brings you back to the home page. This will take care of our tutorial or how-to on testing a text message. Look forward to talking to you again.